guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 medium and the crochet hook in size 4 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot. Now I'll make this first chain a bit loose, just like that, and then I will chain 4. Now on the last chain from the hook I'll make 3 double crochet cluster. This 3 chain already counts as 1, so 1, 2, and 3. Now I'll chain 3, then through that same chain I'll make 3 double crochet cluster. Again I'll chain 3, then through that same chain I'll make 3 double crochet cluster. Again I'll chain 3, then through that same chain I'll make 3 double crochet cluster. Now that we have 4 sets of 3 double crochet clusters, I'll chain 3, then through this first double crochet cluster chain I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2, through this next 3 chain loop I'll make a slip stitch. Then I'll chain 3. Now through that same 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. So we have 3 double crochet plus the 3 chain in the beginning of the row, and that gives us 4 double crochets in total. Now I'll chain 2. Then through the same chain I'll make 4 double crochet. And now I'll turn my work around. I'll chain 4, then through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 4, then through that same chain I'll make 4 double crochet. Again I'll chain 4, then through this 4th double crochet I'll make 1 slip stitch. I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. Now we turn our work around. Now we work through this next 3 chain loop. So right there through the 3 chain loop I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Again I'll chain 3, then through that same 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Again we need 4 double crochet, but that 3 chain in the beginning of this 3 chain loop counts as 1. Now again I'll chain 2, then through that same 3 chain loop I'll make 4 double crochet. I'll turn my work around. I'll chain 4. Now through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 4, then through that same 2 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Again I'll chain 4, then through this 4th double crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. Again I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. Again I'll turn my work around, and now again through this next 3 chain loop we repeat the same thing. So for these 3 chain loops we repeat the same thing, but now for a 4th one we have to do something a bit different. Well, exactly the same, but 1 extra row. Now through this next 3 chain loop I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Again I'll chain 3, then through that same 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 2, then through that same 3 chain loop I'll make 4 double crochet. Again, now I'll turn my work around, I'll chain 4, then through his next 2 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 4, then through the same 2 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 4, then through his 4th double crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. Now I'll turn my work around, and now we have one more 3 chain loop left. So again, I'll make a slip knot, then through that 3 chain loop I'll insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Again, I'll chain 3, through that same 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll chain 2, then through that same 3 chain loop I'll make 4 double crochet. Now I'll turn my work around. Through his next 4 chains I'll make a slip stitch through each chain because we need to reach that 2 chain loop. Now through that 2 chain loop I'll make a slip stitch. Again, I'll chain 3, then through that same 2 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 2, then through that same 2 chain loop I'll make 4 double crochet. I'm gonna have to weave a lot of ends in, but it's okay, it's a small project. Now again, I'll turn my work around. I will chain 4. Through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 4. Through that same 2 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 4, and through this 4th double crochet chain I will make a slip stitch. I'll chain 1, then I will cut this yarn. So now I will go on and weave these ends in off the camera, then I'll come and show you the end results. So here is how our finished work looks. So this is all for today, guys. And I'll see you next time with another video.